see here relation between electric field and electric potential. Now here we take a source charge plus Q, and this produces an electric field. We take 2 points here, point A and B, and the potential at point A, this is called VA, and this equal to V. Potential at point B is VB, and this equal to V plus dV. Now we take a test charge Q naught. We take a test charge Q naught and move this charge from point A to point B and find the work done in this case. When we move this charge from point A to point B, then external force must be applied, so that the external force here, what is the magnitude of external force here? F equal to minus of Q naught into E. यहाँ पर हमने जो माइनस साइन लिया है, इसका मतलब ये है कि जो फील्ड है, फील्ड जो फोर्स लगा रही है और जो हम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है. इसलिए द फोर्स applied by external agency F equal to minus of Q naught into E. Here E is the electric field produced by this charge. Now we find the work done. Work done for moving test charge from point A to B. This is W, and W equal to F dot dr. In scalar form we write here W equal to F into dr, and putting the value of force, so that work done equal to minus of Q naught into E into dr. We take this as a equation number 1. Now when we move the test charge from point A to point B, then according to the definition of potential difference, the work done according to definition of potential difference, work done equal to charge multiply potential difference. So that work done equal to charge, here we take Q naught, and potential difference VB minus VA. Putting the value of VB and VA, put here the values. VB, this is Q naught, and value of VB, V plus dB minus V, and this is Q naught, ये कैंसिल और ये आ गया Q naught dV. This is the work done in second case. So we write here equation number 2. By equation 1 and 2 from both we find the work done, so that we can equal these two equations, so that the work done Q naught E into dr equal to Q naught into dV. Here Q naught is cancelled, so that electric field E equal to minus of dV upon dr. This is the relation. This is the relation between electric field and potential. This value is not called potential, but it is called potential gradient. Potential gradient. Here E equal to minus of dV upon dr. Here minus sign indicates that when we increase the distance, then potential gradient will be decreases, and hence electric field also will be decreases.